everyone, hope you all are well. Today we are going to discuss third part of the lesson with new biological function. It is transpiration. So, before I explain the concept of transpiration, I would like to say an incident experienced by ourselves in day-to-day life. In sunny day, when we exposed to sunlight, it is sweating. That means releasing water vapor from our body. So same thing happen inside plant body. The process of giving off of water vapor by evaporation through aerial parts. It is mainly through stomata in the leaves. Then, what are the necessaries of this transpiration? Let's look at one by one. The first one, increase the speed of transportation in plant, because most of the material transport throughout the plant in a water medium. When water travel upward through the transpiration, some of material also travel up to the upper part. So directly transpiration support to transportation. So, second function, it helps to ascend water and nutrients from the roots to top parts of the plants, as I explained earlier. Then third one, as the water vapor evaporated, it helps to plants in cooling, as in our body. When it's sweating, it results to cool our human body also. So last one, maintaining the water cycle by evaporating water. We all know that plants absorb water from ground. If plants store this groundwater permanently in their body, one day it will result to loss the groundwater. But it will not happen due to the process of transpiration. Some portion of absorbed water released to environment, and it will result to continue the cycling of water. So next, what are the factors that increase the rate of transpiration? There are 4 factors: severe heat, a strong wind, a strong light, as well as the low humidity. When we explain this 4 again, we need the memory of osmosis. Water travels from high concentration area to low concentration area through the semi-permeable membrane. These things we already discussed in the lesson of osmosis. Here, in this process, transpiration, cell membrane acts as a semi-permeable membrane. Then, what happens when increased temperature as well as the speed of wind and light, intensity of light? Yes, it will result to reduce water vapor in environment than the inside of plant. So water evaporated out from the plant. Same way, if low humidity, there are less amount of water vapor in the environment. So high concentrated area will be the inside of plant. So water will result to come out from the high concentrated area to low concentrated environment through the cell membrane, a semi-permeable membrane. So next, although most of the plant liked this transpiration, due to the above discussed reason, some of plants who are living in extreme environments do not like this process. First of all, let's look at what are the examples for this type of plants. Cactus, aloe, temple tree, likewise plants who are living in extreme environment. It will be desert as well as dry zone, likewise. So, this type of plants following different adaptations to minimize transpiration and save water inside their body. So then let's look at what are these different adaptations. Okay, here in this table we'll explain these adaptation with the examples. The first one, the epidermis, thick epidermis in aerial parts. Epidermis is the outer cover of leaf. Okay, so when it gets thick, it will result to reduce transpiration. So example is temple tree. As I told earlier, most probably transpiration occurs through leaves as main aerial part. So some plants, they have spines instead of leaf. Some are having scales of leaf like casa, as well as some have a small size leaf, reducing the size of surface of the leaf, like Navahandi, as well as some of plants having hair on the epidermis, as in sunflower, as well as pumpkin, likewise. So, some plants show a specific adaptation only in dry season, like falling down leaves, as well as rolling the leaves in dry season. So, what are these examples? Leaves fall during the dry season. Example, rubber, tea. Then rolled leaves during dry season. Yes, Bimtamburu, Maharavana, likewise. Okay, so there are some other adaptation also. Some plants like aloe, they having fleshy leaves as can store water inside their body. As well as some plant, they already sunk their stomata inside the leaves, obstructing evaporation of water from the leaves. Example is oleander. So here I gave some pictures for these plants: temple tree, cactus, casa, Navahandi, aloe, as well as pumpkin. So you can collect realistic plant specimens for the examples for different adaptation of transpiration. So that's all about the third part of lesson. Thank you all of you. Let's meet with the next biological function.